Good afternoon everyone. The next topic is of indexing OLAP data, bitmap index. So indexing OLAP data, it's on a particular column, the index will happen. Each value in the column has its bit vector, which is fast. The length of the bit vector, the number of record is the base table, and ith bit is set if the ith row of the base table has a value of indexed column not suitable for high granular domains. So coming to the next slide. Index on a particular column, where like a base table with respect to the attributes that we are going to discuss. So all these columns, like how it is going to perform with respect to ith bit and ith row. And next, the join index, like where the traditional indices map the values to the list of records, and it materializes a relational join in GIF file and speeds up relational join. And in data warehouse, join index relates the value of dimensions of the star schema to rows in the fact table. Example, the fact table sales and 2-dimension city and product. The join index on city maintains for each distinct city listed of with respect to the tuples recording the sales in the city. So in data warehousing, the join index relays the values of the dimension of the star schema to row in the fact table. So example, in the fact table sales, the 2 dimensions city and product. A join index on city maintains for each distinct city a list of with respect to the triple recording the sales in the city. Move on to the next slide. Like before discussing the determination, the efficiency processing of OLAP queries. Like will determine which operations should be performed on the available cuboids, like transform, drill, roll, etc. into the corresponding SQL. And example, the dice is equal to selection plus projection. And the next will determine which materialized cuboids should be selected for OLAP. Let the query to be processed be on like brand or province or state with the condition the year, and there are 4 materialized cuboids available with respect to the year, month and city. Explore the indexing structure and compressed versus dense array structures in OLAP. So here determine which materialized cuboid should be selected for OLAP and OLAP operations. Let the query to be processed be on brand and province or state which are condition years 2004, and there are 4 materialized cuboids available. So first one, like year, the item name and the city, and next one is the year, brand and the country. So this example also, like with other example, respect to example with other set of attributes that we discussed in the class, as you remember. And so third one, these are the set of attributes what we are considering. Usually like there are three kinds of data warehouse applications. So information processing, the information processing where it supports the querying, the basic statistical analysis and the reporting using crosstabs, tables, charts and graphs. So the analytical processing, multidimensional analysis of data warehouse data, and where it supports the basic OLAP operations, slice, dice, drilling and pivoting. So data mining, knowledge discovery from hidden patterns. It supports associations, constructing the analytical model, and where it performing classification and prediction, and presenting the mining results using visualization tools. So from online analytical processing to online analytical mining, we need high quality of data in data warehouse. So the data warehouse contains integrated, consistent, cleaned data. So available information processing structure surrounded data warehouse. The OLAP based exploratory data analysis, like based on the mining, drilling, dicing, pivoting, etc. So online selection of data mining functions or integration and swapping of multiple mining functions, algorithm and the task. So the architecture also, like with respect to database, the data cleaning, data integration will take place, that is in the level 1 that we will call it as a data repository, and in the level 2 MDDB we will call. So where the metadata transferring the information and receiving the information to the layer 3, where the engine OLAM engine and OLAP engine will be available. And finally in the layer 4 the mining result, mining query, mining result and user interface will be takes place. So this multidimensional model of the data warehouse, the star schema, snow or flake schema, fact constellations will be take a major role. The data cube consists of dimensions and measures. So where OLAP operations, the drilling, rolling, slicing, dicing and pivoting will be taking place. The efficient computation of data cube is partial versus full versus no materialization, and the OLAP query processing will be bitmap with respect to bitmap and the join index. It will make a role, will take place a effective performance. And like usually this respective database, the multi-dimensional data model will perform a task, and the data warehousing architecture will take a role, and data warehousing implementation, it will show how we can, which model we can use, or how efficiently the multi-dimensional concept will approach. So from the data warehousing to data mining, all these things like will play a role, where it the knowledge also discover from the hidden patterns, and it supports associations, constructing of analytical models and performing the classification and prediction, where it presenting the mining results using visualization tools. So all these like kinds of data warehouses application with respect to information processing will perform, analytical processing will perform, and data mining it will perform. So the data warehouse architecture and implementation also based on all the based on the query to be performed with respect to brand and the province on the state. So with the condition of the year. So this is the example that we are considered to prove, and the materialized QBots also available to perform the task of the index based one. The distinct city has the list of the tuple recording the cells in the join index on city, it maintains where the each city and recording the cells in the city. The materialize relations joins the file and speed ups relational join. So that's all about the